Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the long-awaited High Achiever Award ceremony. My name is Umar and I will be hosting this ceremony in a slightly different way as compared to the last which we had in 2019. While walking down here, I was feeling nostalgic and it was reminding me of the events which we had in 2019 in Jinnah Auditorium, which was full to its capacity almost. But now, things have changed in 2020, and so did this ceremony. I just want to say that as much as this virus has spread, it has spread a huge amount of resilience and love for people with innovative ways to stay connected. So if you are amongst those who have taken these steps, stay safe, stay connected, and keep your community safe. So to proceed further, here is the message from our very own Rector Nast.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It is a matter of great privilege for me to speak to all the members of the NUST family at the High Achievers Award ceremony. I wish to pay my tribute to the winners of the High Achiever Award for the year 2019. I wish I could meet you in person to find the spark in your eyes and feel the energy that has driven you to such remarkable level of excellence. However, ladies and gentlemen, we are living under unusual circumstances that have prevented us from being together on this ceremony. Though the COVID-19 situation has considerably improved in Pakistan and our campus life is back in some form, we cannot give up precautions and have to remain careful. To all the winners of this coveted award, I wish to say that at NUST we acknowledge your sincerity and commitment, and may these qualities persist in all your future endeavors. We value your devotion to duty and the positivity of your attitude. You all must remember that resilience, empathy, and social responsibility are the hallmarks of all Nustians. Ladies and gentlemen, this ceremony symbolizes our commitment to excellence. It celebrates the efforts and sacrifices of our students, faculty, and staff. I once again congratulate all the high achievers for their extraordinary performance. I also wish to compliment their parents, faculty, and mentors for inspiring, guiding, and motivating them towards being such icons of excellence. To the rest of the students, I wish to say, please remain focused and committed as we do our part to assist you in your growth and foster your individual and collective abilities. Never accept lower standards for yourself, and you will achieve your goals. Also, in the process, look after yourself, your friends and colleagues, and your family members through care and precautions. My very best wishes for you all, and Godspeed.
Thank you very much, sir, for the wonderful and inspiring message. Now, to begin with, we will be announcing the awardees in 3 categories: international, national, and intervarsity. So to begin with, here are the awardees. School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. International category. Misbah Hamid. Misbah attended Female Engineers Mall Program 2019 held in Hungary and secured first position. Noor Alvi. Noor attended the 3rd International Festival of Light held by FAL and the Embassy of Singapore and was declared winner. Noor's submission, Panorama, was inspired by a love for natural beauty. Noor Alvi. NAVS Art for Animals contest is an opportunity for artists of all scales and ages to create images that inspires others and to extend compassion, respect and justice to all animals. Noor stood at second place of the 2019 NAV Art for Animals contest for her submission behind closed doors. Hasib Mehdi. ICT contributes significantly to positively shape today's social and economical landscape. Hasib participated in Huawei ICT Middle East competition and secured second prize for Pakistan in Middle East and qualified for global finals. Syed Muhammad Kazmain. Kazmain attended Huawei ICT competition 2019-2020 and achieved third prize. He competed with teams of 10 countries and his team got third position. He is now qualified for global final between 74 countries across the globe. Muhammad Adil Samar. The aim of Future New Worldwide 2019 was to support young people to develop a wide range of journalism skills. Adil achieved third prize and was selected among top 100 young activists, journalists across the whole world by British Council, Scotland, and was awarded with fully funded training at Reuters headquarters, London, UK. Minahil Raza. Minahil attended a fully funded exchange semester at Western Carolina University and achieved 4 GPA during the semester exchange program. Noor Binte Amir. Noor won Google Women Tech Makers Scholarship 2019 and received an all-expense paid retreat at Google Australia. Yet again, Noor Binte Amir. Google Summer of Code is a global program focused on bringing more students developers into open source software development. Noor submitted her project and completed Google Summer of Code 2019 and received $3,000 US. Simab Zafar. Simab Zafar secured 4 GPA at University of Kentucky during exchange program. Aksa Kausar. Aksa was declared Pakistan's first female Google developer expert in machine learning during Google DevFest 2018 and Google Cloud Next Extended 2019. 7 students were selected from Pakistan, in which 6, as flashed, were from Sikhs for a fully funded participation in Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, Electrical Engineering Camp 2019 at South Korea. The camp had students from China, Indonesia, Turkey, Ukraine, Philippines and Malaysia. Total participants were about 100. Azka Hafiz. Wajia Yasin. Shift Balance Hackathon was aimed to create a space for the development of new tools and innovations tackling gender equality challenges. Azka and Wajiha secured second position. Urwa Saikhani. Urwa attended Unilever Future Leaders League in London and was declared as global finalist. Muhammad Usman Ehsan. Usman attended Asia Pacific Leaders Summit held in Nepal. The summit was aimed at opening a conversation between dynamic leaders for youth development with the intention of inciting social changes in the world. Pakistan delegate was fully funded by International Association of Students in Economic and Commercial Sciences. Momin Abbas. Change the Game is a 5-stage challenge open to UGs and PGs background who are keen to make their mark globally. Momin Abbas attended PepsiCo Change the Game 2018-19 and was declared as Asia Regional Finalist. Muhammad Junaid Khalid. GitHub is a source hosting service and is a command line tool which provides a web-based graphical interface. Junaid Khalid was selected as a GitHub campus expert, the only one from Pakistan and one of the 150 campus experts selected globally. Agha Saad Faraz. Saad was selected in open source organization Adriano by Google as their technical writer for documenting Adriano and third-party libraries. He was among 50 technical writers selected from the globe by Google, out of which only 3 were from Pakistan, and Saad was one of them. Arisha Tariq. Arisha Tariq was selected for one of the organization by Google, OpenLS Global, as a technical writer for end-user documentation. She was among 50 candidates that were selected worldwide, and Arisha was one of the 3 candidates selected from Pakistan. By the end of the program, 36 projects were declared successful, including Arisha's. Master the Frame learning system is open to anyone year-round for technology training and earning IBM digital badges. Abdullah Zafar, Abdullah Khalid, Fahad, Haroon, and Umar earned names and slots on IBM Wall of Fame 2019 in Master the Frame Global Context 2019. Muhammad Abdullah Rafiq, Noshirwan Akram. Google Summer of Code is a global program focused on bringing more students developers into open source software development. Abdullah and Noshirwan were selected for Summer Batch 2019 for Asia Pacific at Maple City, Singapore. Wajiha Yasin. Wajiha attended World Youth Forum, which was fully funded conference in Egypt. Natasha Niaz. Natasha worked on 5G RAN in thesis and has published 2 papers as well on this topic. She joined Ericsson and appeared in 5G RAN Associate exam and achieved certification on the basis of thesis work. Now she is a certified 5G RAN Associate. Rabel Khan attained CGPA of 3.79 during Global UGrad Exchange Program at Saginaw Valley State University, Michigan, USA. National Category. Anshara Beg. Anshara Beg attended Microsoft Imagine Cup and achieved 2nd position in Nationals. Urva Sekhani. Unilever Talent Hunt 2019 was a business competition aimed at providing undergrad students the opportunity to showcase their academic and strategic acumen while building employer branding at various Pakistani universities. Urva was declared as national winners. Wajiha Yasin, Azka Hafiz. Oxfam in Pakistan organizes social innovation challenges to seek innovative solutions from university students to the development challenges faced by Pakistan. Wajiha and Azka attended Social Innovation Challenge by Oxfam Pakistan and achieved 2nd runner-up position. Urva Sekhani, Walid bin Hamid Khan. Battle of Mind is an exciting and interactive platform that was launched in Pakistan for selected universities in 2008. It is to compete against students and graduates from across the globe by individually developing an original and innovative business idea. Urva and Walid attended Battle of Minds 2019 organized by British American Tobacco and were declared national finalist runner-up. Hamza Khurshid. Dow University of Health Sciences organizes Health Innovation Exhibition every year to promote health innovation culture in Pakistan. Hamza attended this exhibition and achieved first position in engineering innovation. Telenor Microfinance Bank organized a digital application development initiative for aspiring individuals in the country. Team Kazim, comprising Mubashirullah, Hashir, Daud, and Fizane Muhammad, participated in this competition and achieved third place and cash prize worth Rs 75,000. Noor Binte Amir. Hakem is an educational and beginners-friendly event that fuses competition and meaningful learning. Noor participated in Hakem 2019 and bagged first prize for project Polaris Share. Burhanul Tayyab, Wajahat Hussain Khan, and Wajiha Yasin. Jazz SDG Hackathon was conducted at the National Incubation Center, Islamabad, and Burhan, Wajahat, and Wajiha participated in the competition and were declared winner with cash prize of Rs 150,000. Burhan, Wajahat, and Wajiha again participated in North Regional Finals of Microsoft Imagine Cup 2019 at HEC Islamabad and were declared winners. Momin Abbas participated in L'Oreal Brandstorm 2019 and achieved second runner-up prize. School of Social Sciences and Humanities. International category. Abdullah Qadir. The International Student Organization of International Association of Students in Economic and Commercial Sciences gathers young people from all over the world and helps them develop their leadership potential by enabling them to volunteer and gain professional experience in both national and international projects. Abdullah Qadir participated in Global School of Entrepreneurship hosted by organization in Serbia and achieved first position. Aisha Liaquat. Aisha attended Global UGrad Semester Exchange Program in Wagner College, Staten Island, New York, and her name was included in the Dean's List with 4 GPA. Rimsha Rehan. Rimsha attended International Conference by United Nations Youth Assembly after being accepted for the conference in New York by United Nations headquarters. Once again, Rimsha was selected as the only Pakistani to attend Impact Coordinator for Asia Pacific region amongst the 8 Impact Coordinators worldwide. National category. Imran Ali Khan. 16 groups presented their posters in National Conference on Pakistan's Economy, Prospects and Challenges. Imran received the Best Poster Presentation Award and stood first. Kiran Ahmed Khan. Kiran received honorarium of Rs 5,000 during her participation in the Pivot magazine of China Pakistan Study Center, Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad. Noor Alain. Noor article was among top 3 in the magazine and received an honorarium of Rs 5,000 in Pivot magazine by China Pakistan Study Center, Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad. Sidra Umar. Sidra participated in National Declamation Contest and achieved 3rd position in English category out of 50 participants held at Apara Community Center, Islamabad, and 3rd position in English category out of 70 participants held at KE Medical College, Lahore. Inter-University category. Sidra Umar. Sidra participated in Twin Cities Debating Championship 2019 held at Rawalpindi Medical College and achieved second position in English category. School of Chemical and Materials Engineering. International category. Dawood, Osama bin Zia and Osama Farokh were declared as global finalists in Reckitt Benckiser League of Game Changers held in London. Gerard stood first and won fully funded trip to Asia Pacific Youth Exchange in Thailand after competing first in the national finale, Asia Pacific Youth Exchange, Thailand. National category. Dawood, Osama bin Zia and Osama Farokh were declared as national finalists in Reckitt Benckiser League of Game Changers, Islamabad. NUST Business School. International category. Abdullah Shahid Chandio. Abdullah participated in the Antalya Conference in Advanced Trainer Certification in Turkey and got the certification of Advanced Trainer by defeating participants from 33 countries. National category. Saad Amir. Saad achieved the title of national finalist while participating in Reckitt Benckiser League of Game Changers. Toyota launches its safety campaign on annual basis titled as Be Safety Leaders. The campaign urges drivers and passengers to be proactive in traffic safety by beginning with the simple act of belting up. Afifa, Ocean and Shahryar stood second runner-up nationwide while attending Toyota Be Safety Leaders program for spreading road safety. Hiram Khavar. Out of all the participants countrywide, only 33 participants could qualify in ACCA Strategic Professional Paper. Hiram Khavar got the prestigious national distinction. Intervarsity category. Muhammad Rafe. Business case simulation competition was held at FAST University. Rafe bagged the second position. School of Art, Design and Architecture. International category. World Architecture Community provides a unique environment for architects, academics and students around the globe to meet, share and compete. Kashmala participated in World Architecture Award Cycle 33 and was declared as winner. Fatma Ibrahim. The revival of Gaur Khatri by Fatma Ibrahim in Pakistan won the World Architecture Award Cycle 32. In the heart of old walled city of Peshawar rests the square-shaped compound of Gaur Khatri. National category. Maheen Adil. Best Design Award UX Pakistan was awarded to Maheen Adil. Her Flip 180 was designed to prevent C-sections. Ataur Rahman School of Applied Biosciences. International category. Sadia Nazir. Sadia attended 5th International Brain Research Organization in Advanced School of Neurosciences at Monash University, Malaysia and achieved third position out of 9 countries. Abida Zulfikar. Abda was also selected from NUST and represented Pakistan with other students from Asian Pacific region in 5th International Brain Research Organization held at Monash University, Malaysia. National category. Sundas Naila Makbul. Sundas attended International Conference Punjab University, oral presentation and stood at second position. Zishan Khan, Mudassar Khan. Zishan and Mudassar participated in a poster competition held at Quaid-e-Azam University on dengue infection in Pakistan and its control strategies and achieved second position. Ushma Farooq. Clamathon Y Accelerator Challenge is a premier startup competition that puts selected pitches in front of sector experts. Hosted by Pakistan Red Crescent Society, Ushma participated in Challenge 2019 and achieved second position along with Rs 50,000 prize money. Intervarsity category. Varda Shakil Khan. Varda participated in the Open 18th British Parliamentary Debating Championship held at Ghulam Ishaq Khan Institute of Engineering, Sciences and Technology and achieved first position. School of Civil and Environmental Engineering. International category. Qudis Tariq Kiani. Qudis attended Global UGrad Exchange Program at George Mason University, USA and attained 3.5 CGPA. Abdul Hay. Abdul Hay was selected from the 7,000 applicants worldwide to attend the prestigious Millennium Fellowship by United Nations Academic Impact. Muhammad Moiz Ashraf Qazi. Moiz was selected as head office member for Asian Pacific Children Convention held in Fukuoka, Japan. Shahab Naveed Rashid. Summer exchange program was hosted by Xi'an Jiao Tang University, Xi'an, Shanxi, China. Shahab was awarded with High Achiever Certificate of Merit represented Pakistan at Silk Road and Belt and Road Initiative of China. Zain Shuja. Zain attended Unilever Future Leaders League 2019 held in London and was amongst the top 10 global finalists. National category. Umair Mukhtar. Aleph is a concurrent programming language suited for system programming. Umair attended Aleph programming language and was awarded second position in Pasha ICT Awards. Zain Shuja. Zain participated in L'Oreal Brandstorm 2019 held at Ramada Creek Hotel, Karachi and was declared as national runner-up. School of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. International category. Dawood Iqbal. International Youth Mathematics Competition is an international event where participants are from all over the world in qualification rounds. Dawood was declared Best Ambassador during this competition. Muhammad Ismail. Ismail attended Global UGrad Exchange Program at Old Dominion University, USA and achieved first position in the Dean's List with 4 GPA. Soha Yusuf. Soha attended Global Undergrad Exchange Program at Western Carolina University, USA and achieved first position with 4 GPA, which was the highest GPA in batch during the exchange program. Ehtisham Raza. Ehtisham attended Global Undergrad Exchange Program at University of Wisconsin, Stout, USA and was awarded a Chancellor Award with 3.75 GPA for his outstanding academic performance. Irtika Naveed. IBM Master the Frame is an international level competition open for all the students of university globally. Irtika participated in Master the Frame Global Contest 2019 and successfully qualified the contest. She won IBM Digital Badge and her name was displayed on IBM Wall of Fame. National category. Abdul Kalam Design Challenge is a national event in which 8 teams from different universities of Pakistan participated. The competition was held at NUST in SMME. Afaq, Abdul Rahman, Rais, Arfa and Zain participated in this competition and were declared as runner-up team. Sports branch. International category. Sayyid Muhammad Dawood Ali Shah. Dawood represented Pakistan rugby team in Asia Rugby Championship 2019 and received gold medal. College of Aeronautical Engineering. National category. Muhammad Mamoon Khan. Mamoon participated in RC plane AirX 19 held in Jiki and achieved second position. Malik Muhammad Zahid Nawaz. Zahid participated in Project Evaluation AirTech 19 and achieved first position. Project Evaluation Gears 19 and achieved first position. Circuit Designing of Gears 19 and achieved second position. Abdul Rahman Javed. Abdul Rahman participated in Quadcopter AirX 19 and achieved first position. Aeromania AirX 19 and achieved first position. Max Drag AirX 19 and achieved second position. Muhammad Hamza Ali. Hamza participated in Quadcopter AirX 19 and achieved first position. Aeromania AirX 19 and achieved first position. Max Drag AirX 19 and achieved second position. Qazi Asadur Rahman. Qazi Asad participated in Quadcopter AirX 19 and achieved first position. Aeromania AirX 19 and achieved first position. Max Drag AirX 19 and achieved second position. Muhammad Bilal. Bilal participated in Quadcopter AirX 19 and achieved first position. RC plane AirX 19 and achieved second position. Declared Best Ambassador in AirX 19. College of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. International category. In 2019, Shell Eco Marathon Asia took place in Malaysia. Adil, Ubaid, Irtaza and Noman participated in this competition in design manufacturing of fuel-efficient vehicle with a mileage of 72.4 kilometers per litre and secured 11th position in urban concept gasoline category. Muhammad Shoaib Tariq. Making air conditioning systems more eco-friendly, efficient and affordable, Shoaib along with his team members created a vapor absorption chiller system during Ericsson Innovation Award 2019 and was declared winners in Middle East and North African region and were semi-finalists globally. Ali Raza. Ali participated in Autonomous Sumo Robot Expo Center Tashkent in Uzbekistan and was amongst top 10 qualifiers. Event comprised of 400 participants from 31 countries. Ali along with his team also demonstrated their abilities in Robo Football competition and Team Pakistan finished third in the Robo Football competition. Saad, Abdullah and Adnan participated in China Agricultural Robotic Competition 2019 and were the runner-up in the competition. National category. Ijaz Ahmed. Ijaz secured third position in national and first position in regional during the third Pakistan Young Physicists tournaments held in Fatma Jinnah Women University, Rawalpindi. Moreover, he was part of international team for International Young Physicists Team 2019 in Poland as well. Team NAST, comprising Usman, Zainab and Yaqub, defeated almost 350 teams and stood first from 80 Pakistani universities during Microsoft Imagine Cup, which is an annual competition sponsored and hosted by Microsoft Corporation. Muhammad Shiraz Ali, Ahmed Kaleem, Muhammad Bilal. Numerous engineers of various disciplines came together from all over the country to participate in EME Techathon 2019 to use their innovative minds to tackle and solve countless everyday problems faced by our society. Shiraz, Ahmed and Bilal secured second position in runners-up category. Team comprising Numan, Ammar, Fawzan, Fareed, Nabil, Hamza, Tala and Numan participated in Head Start Robotic Contest 2019 and were declared as winners. The team Markhor, as flashed, participated in National Engineering Robotic Contest 2019 and secured first position in indigenous category. They were also awarded with cash prize of rupees 100,000. Hasib Sultan Asad, Suhaib Ahmed. Hasib and Suhaib participated in NAST Olympiad 2019 PUBG solo category and achieved first position. Intervarsity category. The team as flashed were declared as winners in Head Start Robotic competition. Muhammad Abdullah bin Rizwan. Abdullah participated in NAST Olympiad 2019 line following competition and secured first position. PC Muhammad Abdullah bin Rizwan and NC Saad Javed. Abdullah and Saad participated in Air Technical 2019 in Airbot category held at Air University and achieved first position. Fatima, Ruqayya and Saad attended National Solutions Convention 2019 RoboMaze held at FAST University Islamabad and were declared as winners. Military College of Engineering National Category. Muhammad Khizr Nizami. Khizr Nizami participated in different declamation competitions as flashed and achieved first and second positions. Abidullah. Army Marksmanship Unit arranged a competition in Jhelum. Abidullah received a silver medal in shooting. Habibullah. Habibullah was declared as best footballer during Paces Marathon held in Lahore. Hafiz Abdullah. Hafiz Abdullah secured first position in Tilawat competition held in Sargodha. GC Hassan Tahir. Hassan was declared as best delegate in GK Model United Nations held at GK. GC Hassan Tahir participated in different declamation contests in English category as flashed and secured first and second positions. GC Salar Khalid. GC Salar participated in different declamation contests in Urdu category as flashed and secured first second and third positions. GC Hassan Rashid participated in All Pakistan Declamation Competition, Khyber Medical College, and stood first in English speech. Military College of Signals. International category. Sabahat Khurshid. Sabahat attended Global UGrad Exchange Program at St. Cloud State University, Minnesota, USA, and achieved 4 GPA. National category. GC Zaid bin Nisar Khatak. Zaid participated in first All Pakistan Zabist University Bilingual Declamation Competition 2019 and secured third position in English category. GC Abdullah Mujahid. Abdullah participated in a speech competition held at Abbasin University, Islamabad, and secured first position in Urdu category. PC Huraira Imran. Huraira stood at second position in a sketching competition held at Abbasin University, Islamabad. Muzammil Ghaffar. Muzammil secured first position in All Pakistan Federal Government Educational Institutes Software Development Competition. Inter-varsity category. Sergeant Atikur Rahman and GC Mashood Salim. Both participants, as flashed, attended Air University Model United Nations 2019. Atiq received Best Delegate Award and Mashood received an Outstanding Diplomacy Award. Sergeant Atikur Rahman and GC Abdul Qadir Khan. Atiq and Abdul Qadir participated in annual Rawalpindi Medical University Debating Championship 2019 and secured first position respectively in English and Urdu category. NC Huraira Imran. Huraira was declared runner-up in MasterChef competition during NUST Olympiad 2019. Zarmeen Ahmed. Zarmeen secured first position in Computer Project Exhibition and Competition. Ehsan Yassin. Ehsan achieved first position in Cyber Emergency Response Team Cyber Drill Competition. Mahnur Nasser, Maham Fatma. Mahnur and Maham participated in AirTech 19 competition and achieved first position. Azka Javed, Nida Zaman. Azka and Nida participated in AirTech 19 competition and achieved second position. Pakistan Navy Engineering College. International category. Shell Eco Marathon Asia is an annual competition held for teams in the Asia Pacific and International Circuit. The team, as flashed, participated in Shell Eco Marathon 2019 held at Malaysia and achieved an honorary mention in Technical Innovation Awards and as well as official flag bearer of Pakistan. Unmanned Aircraft System Challenge Competition 2019 was held at Wales, UK, where total 32 teams of various universities around the world participated and competed in the event. PNEC Airwork Team Beta, as flashed, was declared as Grand Champions of UAS Challenge 2019. Formula Student is Europe's most established educational engineering competition. Team PNEC participated in Formula Student UK 2019 held at UK and secured first position in Asian regional ranking and 10th position out of 121 teams in business plan event. Maham Ahmad Siddiqui. Maham was one of the 75 scholars selected from a pool of over 25,000 applicants and only one of the 4 women from Pakistan to participate in 2019 Google Women Techmaker Scholars from the Asia Pacific region held at Sydney, Australia. Anam Ahmad Siddiqui. The aim and objective of Harvard Project for Asian and International Relation is to provide a dynamic forum of exchange on international issue vital to Asia and to connect the talented young leaders from around the globe with leaders in business, academia and government. Anam participated in Asian conference held in Nur Sultan University, Kazakhstan. She was selected as one of the 30 scholars from a total of 300 delegates. National category. Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineers Pakistan held an international symposium, which is the largest international symposium of electrical, electronics and allied disciplines on latest trends and technologies. PNEC students team as flashed participated in the competition and presented paper titled Development of Software Based on Advanced Metering Infrastructure and were awarded with silver medal and rupees 10,000 cash award. Muhammad Awais Shafiq, Anam Ahmad Siddiqui. Awais and Anam participated in IBA Invent competition held at IBA Karachi and were declared as runner-up team in technical startup competition and were awarded rupees 50,000 cash prize among teams from all over the Pakistan. Adnan Gul Kaka, Zishan Ahmed Sajid, Muhammad Shujat. Adnan, Zishan and Shujat participated in NASA International Space Application Challenges held at Karachi University and secured first position. Ayman Malik, Amna Waris, Muhammad Usman. Ayman, Amna and Usman participated in Major Adil Shahid Shaheed Memorial Symposium on Robotic and Drones, which was held at Sir Syed University of Engineering and Technology and achieved first position and rupees 10,000 cash prize. Coming over to the last category of the ceremony, intervarsity category. Zamra Sultan, Shahrukh Zia, Sayyid Zishan Haider Rizvi, Munazza Iqbal. A team from NUST PNEC titled as Brain Computer Interface took part in an all Pakistan inter-university competition titled as Computer Project Exhibition and Competition 2019. The competition hosted more than 200 teams from all around Pakistan. The team as flashed won third position and was awarded with a cash prize of rupees 10,000. Murad Abdullah, Muhammad Tariq Azim, Majid Alim. The PNEC NUST Students Final Year Project, IoT-based Structural Health Monitoring and Traffic Intelligence System for Concrete Bridges using Wireless Sensor Network, was presented at Bahria University Karachi campus. Murad, Tariq and Majid secured first position along with rupees 15,000 cash award. With this, we have come to the end of the ceremony. Congratulations to all awardees. At the end, on behalf of NUST administration and the complete faculty, I want to congratulate all the awardees who have been awarded these awards. Hope to see you back in the campus very soon, inshallah. So till then, it's me, Umar, from Student Affairs Directorate, signing off. Allah Hafiz.